to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video, I didn't want to give too much away in my intro, so today's video is organisation part 1. This is nowhere near finished. I just wanted to show you what kind of organisations that we have got and how we styled them. I will explain a little bit first before I show you how I've done it and what I've done. So if you like organisations and you want to see more, then please keep watching. Is the first part of the organisations. Like I said in the intro, there is going to be so many more. It's just going to take a little bit of time. We're going to get a new wardrobe, there's going to be stuff behind me, there's going to be like acrylics to go in my makeup drawers. There is just so much stuff. There's going to be more stuff in the wardrobe. It's just going to be a little bit more organised and a little bit more better. So without further ado, let's stop rambling on and show you and then tell you and show you. So the first things first are IKEA storage boxes. I will leave a picture up on the screen for you guys so I can show you what kind of ones I was on about. I actually got these from Amazon. I love them so much. I got quite a lot of them because we needed quite a lot in our drawers actually. But these you can get from IKEA and you can actually get them from Amazon. I will leave all the links that you're going to need in the description box below for you guys as well, just in case you are interested in purchasing any of these organisations as well. So the next organisations that we did purchase was DVD kind of storage bags. Again, I will leave a picture up on the screen for you guys, but these are very, very handy if you have so many DVDs like we have and you need somewhere to store them and how to make them a little bit more tidier and better, then these bags will help so much. Also, if you are like moving home, or you are planning on moving out, or you're moving away or anything like that, and you have so many DVDs and CDs but you don't have the organizations for them, then these storages are going to help you, and I will show you what we have done after I have explained everything. Next organization, little storage sort of thing. You guys are probably going to think what on earth, but I will put up a picture of these kind of wardrobe dividers as well. So what I have done is got these, and I also will put a picture up of all the like little labels that I have used. So I have used the little hangers just to separate the colours in my wardrobe because I want them to be more organised. I'm kind of a bit OCD when it comes to things like that. I want all my whites together, I want all my greys together, all my blacks, and like all my colours, like my yellows, my baby pinks. I do want to buy new clothes to go in the new wardrobe. So the clothes that's in there now, which you guys are going to see in a minute, some of them will stay, some of them won't. So obviously when we get a new wardrobe, I have to go through all my clothes, like literally declutter all my clothes and everything, and then put back the ones that I do want to keep and have them in right order. I have OCD with things like this. It's like series of like DVDs and stuff. If they box sets or they come in series, they have to be in the right order. My everything needs to be sorted out. Everything like makeup needs to be in the right drawers. Shoes needs to be in the right places. I have literally OCD with all this sort of thing. But yeah, I like to be a little bit more organised, so then I can then see which section of like clothes of on my wardrobe, and then if I fancy like having an outfit from a khaki section, I can go straight to the khaki section, or if I fancy like a bit of a white, maybe a mixture white and black, I can go to either the white and black section or the black and the white section, which is this kind of thing, the black and the white, or I can grab like black trousers or black leggings on a white top. You guys will see anyway when I will show you, but yeah, I bought them as well. And then I bought some like black permanent markers just to write on the labels so I can actually see what kind of colours are there. Obviously you can see them, but having them dividers make it more better and more organised as well. You guys are probably thinking it's stupid, but I actually quite like it. It divides your clothes up and you can see what kind of colours you have. So I'm going to show you now what kind of storages we have and how we've done them. Again, I've literally showed you all the pictures and everything will be in the description box below for you guys. There will be more of the organisations videos coming up. This is just part 1. I have got so many more coming up. These are the IKEA storage boxes that I was telling you about. So they are absolutely beautiful. Again, the link will be in the description box below for you guys. They are so beautiful. Like, they keep all your literally clothes, underwear, socks. I've got like my bras there, my knickers here, my socks, and this is probably TMI, but yeah, I've got them in there. And then in this one I've like separated my PJs and some more socks, and then more down here as well. And obviously Nathan's got some as well. But yeah, they are absolutely beautiful. They're nice and fabricated as well, and they're absolutely beautiful. You can get them in white and black. I absolutely love the white one because they go really well with the furniture. This is the DVD storage that I was telling you about. We've got 4 bags up there full of DVDs. We've got another 4 bags here full of DVDs. We still have a few more DVDs here to put away, but they are so beautiful and compact as well. You can actually see all your DVDs of what you have. It's absolutely amazing. So if you fancy, like for instance, if we fancied watching Scream, we can just look for all the storages and think, oh, they're there. So that's the kind of ones we need. But yeah, I absolutely love them. They're so beautiful as well. They pack so many DVDs in one. They will be listed in the description box below for you guys. Where we've got so many DVDs, we had to get like 2 sets of the 4. But now we've got to get another load because obviously we've got some more DVDs to put in. And they are also, they've got handles as well, so you can actually just lift them and carry them as well. So if you do have to travel anywhere or move, they are very, very handy of moving as well. So I know I didn't mention this, but these storage boxes are very, very handy as well. I will leave these in the description box as well because they are so handy. We will be getting more to go in the wardrobe because the ones we've got would just fill up half the wardrobe, so we need to get some more. So I will leave these in the description box below. But this is what I'm talking about. So I have like dividers up here saying what colours they are. Obviously you can actually see what colours the clothes are. We have a new wardrobe, they're going to be doors, so we won't be able to see. So these are actually brilliant. So I actually thought of these myself. So these are the hangers, and then I just stuck on one of the labels and wrote on it. So you've got the whites, you've got the greys, you've got blacks, and then you've got browns, maroon, beige, yellow, black and white, for like you get all your patterns, black and white colours, baby pink, khaki, and then these ones obviously I'm not too sure about at the moment. That's the khaki ones. All of these ones here I'm not too sure about at the moment. I don't know whether I'm going to keep them or give them away or keep them in my wardrobe. I don't know because I don't know where to place them at the moment. And then I've just got a few spares here which I have wrote out, but I don't think I've actually got the colours of clothing for them yet. But yeah, I think it's such a good idea. Some of you probably don't like it. I think it's a good idea. And they can actually be used for like kids as well. So if you ever do buy any of these and you do put them in your wardrobe and you find out you're having a baby or you're pregnant and you need something for the kids' clothes, you can actually take the stickers off and put your own kind of stickers, so they can be reusable as well. Just put like newborns 1 to 2, 2 to 3, you know, so they can be useful for kids' wardrobes as well, not just for adults. But I actually quite like them. The more I put on there, the more it's looking a little bit more organised. But like I said, it's got to have in our new wardrobe, so this wardrobe will be going, it won't be there. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Like I said, everything that I've mentioned will be in the description box below for you guys, just in case you're interested in purchasing any of these storages as well. Like I said, this is only part 1, so it's not even completely finished yet. There is just so many more organisations to come. They are literally, I've got so much. I just need to sort everything out first. I've gone from one job to another. I've got to sort that out. So yeah, things are a little bit crazy at the moment, but I will keep you guys updated on a lot of things. There will be more organisations video. I've got a vlog going up in March because me and my sister's going to go and see The Wanted, so I'll be filming that. There's literally loads of content coming up your way, guys, so make sure you are subscribed. So without further ado, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.